Hey traders, John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com, and in this video I'm going to cover gold. And the reason I'm covering gold is because I have a friend of a friend who has just lost a significant amount of money in gold, and he's still bullish on gold. And so hopefully he can watch this video on gold and he can have a serious think about his positions while holding on and hoping and praying, which is never a good idea anyway. You should have a system and approach that should be in should be always having a system of looking to get in, looking to get out. But anyway, this is just a video that help out a friend of a friend, and hopefully this can give him some bit of guidance on what's going on with the overall charts of gold. So let's have a look at this here. First thing that we obviously see with gold on the overall picture itself is that ever since basically the start of the year, we've had a nice run up. But now we're starting to slowly step down. And this overall last period through here, if I just zoom in a lot more, and then go here, and then go down a bit more, we can actually see that this overall period through here, which is just recent price action, this is actually very, very weak. We've got this overall sideways movement, and you can see that we actually had, that's actually quite big, isn't it? Look at that. There we go. Let me just change that to say, there we go. So you can actually see that we actually had a quite significant sort of triangle pattern happening through there, and it was going to break out some way. So if you were trading around this area through here, or gold stock, which a friend of a friend was doing, if he was bullish, he'd want to see gold break out of this triangle pattern, right? But since it broke down, this is where you should be exiting, because this is very, very, very bearish sign. Right, and since we had these big strong sellers and now the buyers are doing nothing as well, it's showing a lot more sign of weakness as well. Let me actually zoom this out a bit more so we can see that. So you can see that we have this nice sort of triangle pattern happening through here, okay? And then it broke down. It went sideways, it broke down. But if you have a look at the overall momentum as well too, the overall momentum was up through here. Now the overall momentum is shifting down, as you can see through there, right? The overall momentum is shifting to the downside rapidly. So shifting to the downside rapidly, we broke out of this triangle pattern, which is actually got big strong sellers, like a flag pattern, triangle pattern, pennant, broke down. Now it's broke down into this movement, and now we're breaking down sideways. We're breaking down through here, we're breaking down sideways. What this sideways pattern through here, this is actually like a little flag formation. But not only that, but the simple analysis that you see on here, we take everything off the screen. The simple analysis is this. What is the support and resistance? What are the major support resistance levels doing? Look at this thing through here, okay? See that major support and resistance level through there? That was, and still is, that whole area through there, somewhere around about there, yeah, definitely through there. That whole area through there was a major support. You can see it was also major resistance, and it was an area, so make it a bit thicker, okay? And make that through there, okay, so a bit thicker. So what we see here is this, right? We see support, resistance. You can see this overall level. Again, it's an area. This whole area through here is a major blockage for the market. What has happened? So since it broke down and continue to break down, guess what's likely to happen? To me, we are finding a bit of struggles through here. So to me, I believe we're heading down. Now it's broken past this. We might get a bit of upside movement. Yeah, we may get a bit of upside movement, but it's likely to get rejected by this level through here. And so therefore, I see in the near future of gold going down to around about 1200 or lower. And if it breaks below that, then it looks like it's on its way down to 1000. Okay, so right now it's about 1214.3. I say 1200 in the near future, and then if it doesn't, and if this level, because this level here is a significant support level overall, if that doesn't hold, then overall we're likely to see a lot more downside to come. Okay, so that's what I see in gold. So if anyone is looking at this as a bullish signal, to me is absolutely nuts. You know what I mean? Because this is clearly not bullish. It's showing all signs of weaknesses going through here, and this whole, basically most of this year, okay, most of this year, basically from March onwards, we've been showing a lot of weakness through here, and the overall shift of this movement from the upside, it was going from the upside. We did have a lot of movement to the high side through here, but anyone that's looking for longs is just asking for trouble. So that is my take, guys, on gold. Do what you want to do, But for me, I'm actually looking for bearish setup. So that's for me, guys. If you want to learn more information about who I am personally and what I've done and all that sort of good stuff, then click on the links below on YouTube or go to officialjohnhowe.com and I can help you out even more. Alright guys, this is John Howell here. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action and face your fears today.